Shweta and welcome back to my channel. So one of my top priorities for 2019 is to eat healthy and get fit. Now believe it or not, 5 years ago I used to be 60 kgs and I lost more than 10 kgs in 1 year, and since then I have been maintaining my weight. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very healthy diet routine. If you follow this simple diet, you will make a sustainable change in your life and its impact is going to be really good and you will observe visible changes in yourself. So yeah, now without further ado, let's just get started with the video. Before I get into the diet, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick shopping list of the things that you might need to buy. So number one is wheat flakes, which is a great substitute for corn flakes, which is not very good with weight loss. Second is wheat bran, oat bran and ragi atta or ragi flour. Third is green tea. Green tea is a must. Fourth is brown rice, which is a great substitute for your normal rice. Fifth is for those people who like to eat biscuits. You can have biscuits like Monaco or Marigold. Also you can have murmure. That is it for your shopping list. Within these items, I think everybody has everything in their house. So yeah, let's get into the diet routine. The first thing that I do after I wake up is I have a glass of milk and 5 almonds. But if you're looking forward to losing more weight, you can have a glass of lukewarm water along with your 5 almonds, or you can also add lemon and honey in your lukewarm water, which is very good for your weight loss. After that, for breakfast, which is my favorite meal of the day, I really enjoy having my breakfast. One of my favorite things to eat is wheat flakes. I love to add a bowl of fruits in my breakfast and a cup of milk again. This breakfast is very filling and very satisfying. So I'm also going to be giving you alternative for your breakfast, because आप रोज same breakfast नहीं खा सकते हो. You can have bread poha with lot of vegetables or your regular poha. And also one thing that me and my mom we really enjoy in breakfast is moong dal ka chila. I have this with curd and chutney. Sometimes we also fill in with paneer, which is really healthy and I love it. It is so tasty. After your breakfast, like about an hour or two later, you should have a cup of green tea. Now trust me guys, green tea works like magic for losing weight. I really enjoy my green tea. Sometimes I have it with dry fruits, or most of the time I have it with a fruit. I really like to fill up myself with fruits. In winters mein orange mera favorite hai, so yeah, I eat orange and along with that a cup of green tea. Now it's time for lunch, and this is the time when you have to fill yourself really well so that you don't have a craving for eating something unhealthy later. So for lunch I eat any vegetable that my mom cooks. Usually घर पे जो भी सब्जी बनती है, छोले, भिंडी या mixed veg या anything, any सब्जी. For this video's sake, my mom decided to make a mixed vegetable which I really enjoy eating, and along with that you should have a full plate of salad. जिसमें कोई भी fancy salad नहीं है. It's simple घर का salad which is cucumber, carrots and tomatoes and onions. Yeah, and with that a bowl of curd, which is very important. And the most important thing is, instead of eating your regular chapati जो normal आटे की बनती है, you should take an equal proportion of wheat bran and your regular atta. In this video I'm showing you this with wheat bran. You can also use oat bran, and sometimes you can also make ragi ki roti. I eat only one roti, पर ये एक रोटी दो के बराबर है. If you want, you can just 2 rotis out of it. And yeah, this is what I eat for my lunch. It is really filling, really tasty. There are a lot of people who really like to have rice. तो आप अपने lunch पे rice को brown rice से substitute कर सकते हो. You can find a lot of recipes on YouTube itself, and it is really easy to make brown rice. And along with that, again you can have a bowl full of curd and a plate full of salad, and yeah, that can be your lunch as well. शाम को बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है सबको, तभी सबसे ज़्यादा unhealthy options दिमाग में आते हैं. Try to avoid that, and you can do that by having a little snack. So at that time you should have again a cup of green tea. Along with that, जो biscuits खाना enjoy करते हैं, you can have 2 to 4 biscuits of Monaco or 2 biscuits of Marigold, and you can also have murmure, and it can satisfy your munching craving. Dinner is something that is supposed to be very light. अगर आप ये सिंपल चीज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दो, आप डिसाइड कर लो कि 8 बजे के बाद आप कुछ नहीं खाओगे, you will see visible changes in yourself. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys just one simple recipe. So for dinner I take 2 loaves of whole wheat bread and I toast it on my pan without any butter, and I toast it until it is brown and crispy. Then I cut it into small little pieces and add some curd over it and some green chutney, which is something that my mom makes. And over that I add a lot of salads, and yeah, I top it up with pepper and salt. Now I'm also non-vegetarian, so sometimes I alternate it and I change it by making a salami sandwich. Now instead of curd and chutney, I add salami and salad over it, and yeah, I enjoy it too. That is your dinner. So yeah, for today's video I thought that I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few of these recipes, क्योंकि मैं एक साथ सब बता दूंगी तो it'll be a very long video. Yeah, I am going to be surely make a part 2 of this. I really want you guys to do it along with me. Now I am going to be really honest with you guys. Trust me, when I was 60 kgs, I followed this diet very religiously. मैंने कोई भी cheat meal नहीं लेती थी. मैंने आइसक्रीम या पिज्ज़ा या बाहर का कुछ भी खाना सब छोड़ दिया था. And I am motivating myself to be back on this diet and religiously follow it again. And yeah, get fit for 2019. I am going to be ending this video right here. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Let me know in the comment section how did you like it, what are your questions, I'm gonna answer it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go. I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.